Hi, welcome to another 4AC, this time quiz 4-4 for example. Now in this question, we are given a circuit with a load of the real power 700 watt and a power factor of 0.75 lagging, and we are asked to find the complex power value S and the reactive power Q. And then we are required to draw the power triangle and finally to calculate the current flowing in the circuit. Okay, we can start answering this question by looking at the power factor. Now, power factor FP is given as cosine angle theta 0.75. This means angle theta is the cos inverse of 0.75. That's an angle of 41.41 degrees. Now, lagging means the voltage is ahead of the current. All right. Similarly, I can calculate sine theta is equals to sine 41.41 degrees. That's equals to 0.661. Okay. Now, if I know the real power, I can roughly sketch out the power triangle. Since it's lagging implies that this load is inductive, so I draw the power triangle in this way: P, Q, and then the complex power or the apparent power. Right? I know P is 700 watts. So from this right angle triangle, I can calculate S is equals to P over cosine theta, which is 700 divided by 0.75. That gives me 933.34 volt amps VA. Okay, that is the magnitude of the complex power. Similarly, for the reactive power Q, it's P tangent of the angle theta. So in this case, it would be 700 tangent 41.41 degrees. So that gives me 617.35 VAR. Okay, that's part 1. Part 2, to draw the power triangle, it's just P 700 watt, Q 617.35 VAR, and S equals to 933.34 VA, and the angle is 41.41 degrees. And finally, part 3 wants me to calculate what's the current. Now, to calculate the current, I have to make use of the voltage and make use of this complex relationship. S is E times the conjugate of the current I. Therefore, I conjugate must be S vector over E vector. Now, S vector is just 933.34, angle of 41.41 degree VA divided by 230 angle 0 degree volt. That gives me 4.058 angle 41.41 degrees. Right. Now this is the conjugate. Now conjugate and current is just the angle change. So therefore the current is 4.058 angle minus 41.41 degree ampere. Okay, so that's the answer for the current flowing in the circuit I. Right, that's all for this work example.